Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Nissan Rogue Bluetooth. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked. Then, grab your mobile phone and turn on its Bluetooth feature. Next, navigate to the Settings menu on your Nissan Rogue's infotainment display. This initial step prepares both your car and your device for a seamless connection process. It's quite straightforward, so let's get started right away. Once in the Settings menu, select the Bluetooth option. You'll then see an option to add new device on your Rogue screen. Tap that. Your Nissan Rogue will now enter a discoverable mode, actively searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. This is the point where your phone will be able to see your car, ready for the next step in establishing the connection. Now, on your mobile phone, look for your Nissan Rogue's name in the list of available Bluetooth devices and select it. Both your phone and the car's display will show a unique pairing code. Ensure these codes match, then confirm. Finally, you might be prompted to allow access to your contacts and messages. Granting this permission enables full functionality for hands-free communication. If you encounter any issues, try a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, delete any old or unused devices from your Rogue's Bluetooth memory. Sometimes, a quick restart of both your phone and the car's infotainment system can resolve minor glitches. Also, always ensure your phone's operating system is up to date for optimal compatibility. These tips should help maintain a smooth and reliable Bluetooth connection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.